Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to clean PS4 fan on PS4 Slim and Pro. Pull the PlayStation top cover gently. Now clean the dust on the cover. Now spray the rubbing alcohol at the fan. Now clean the fan area with the help of earbud. Now close the car gently. Now take the old toothbrush, spray the rubbing alcohol on it. Now clean the edges with it. By following the steps, you can clean PS4 fan on PS4 Slim and Pro.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.